Mr. Stan 913 here. We're visiting the Aviation Museum outside of Wildwood, New Jersey. This is a really cool place to come to on a rainy day, and believe it or not, today is a rainy day. I think it's like $14 to get in. A lot to do, a lot to see, and we hope you enjoy this video. So this is the museum entrance, and there's also a orientation film you can go to, and you can view an orientation of the museum, and they go over the history of the museum and the hangar, and then you can go in to see some of the planes inside the museum. Here where you pay is a gift shop, and it's where you pay for your admission, and there's really a lot of nice stuff in here. We'll come back and see this shortly. So outside the gift shop, you enter the hangar. So this is the old hangar. And there are a lot of planes in here. They told us anything with a gray steps, you could actually go into the planes. There is a lot to see here and a lot to do. And it's actually raining outside, so you cannot maybe go outside and see the planes that are sitting out on the tarmac. There are a lot of planes here. There's also some memoriams in here for veterans.
At takeoff, its weight with its huge fuel and bomb capacity comes to a total of more than 70,000 pounds.
And here we have a T-28C Trojan. And this is a practice bombs for World War I. And there is also a tower you can go up to and see what it's like to be in the tower to bring the planes in. Kids would love to walk up there and act like they're bringing in a plane for landing. This is a huge hangar. Here we have a USSR MiG-15. Here we have a Lockheed T-2V Sea Star. Kids can go up in. They can sit in the cockpit, going up these gray steps here. And right here we have a TBM Avenger. These are massive planes. Look at that. Just give you a perspective. This was a bomber, and these are the bombs underneath. Look at that. It's also a tribute to the Coast Guard here. We got some Coast Guard cutters here. And a Coast Guard plane. And we have a U.S. Coast Guard helicopter here. You see kids can go in and go up inside the helicopter here. They could actually sit down and see what it was like to fly inside a Coast Guard helicopter. You can also see the cockpit. It's also Blue Angels. And if you see, if you could, on a non-rainy day, you could go out here and look at some of the other planes that are out on the hangar. As you see, it's raining today. Got some military helicopters here, some fighter jets. Again, I probably repeat myself, but on a nice rainy day, this isn't a nice day, but on a nice rainy day, this is something you can take your children to. Spend as much time as you want. I'll leave a link to the museum below. Besides going to the beach, there are plenty of other things you can do when you're down the Jersey Shore. Coming up here, we have a Locum T-53 helicopter jet engine. And here you have a helicopter. And again, kids can go up and enjoy the inside of the helicopter. Also have almost like a drone plane. When I was a kid, this plane here, I had a little model. It would fly around in a circle. When I was a kid, I was able to play with something like this. It was the exact same color. Brings back memories. Like photography and radio exhibit you can go into and see the old photography equipment they used to use back in the day. Also radio equipment. Nothing like the radio equipment today we have. Let me say we go up in that hangar and check it out. And here you have the control tower. Again, you can go up the steps. And here you're at the top of the control tower. And it overlooks the whole hangar here. Come around this end and you can see the other side here. And this is inside the hangar. I think you can talk to the people below. There was a speaker when we were first walking up. I think you can talk to the people below and simulate So this is what it looks like above. Oh, there we go. There's a little kid talking there.
Channel 1, I need you.
Pretty cool. So back on the ground now. There's little inside, there's all little things to do, just to let you know, not just the planes. Again, you can come in here and there's little areas you can go in and read about history of the museum, history of the wars, these planes, the veterans. There's just a lot to do here, a lot to read. Little kids like running around, you know, the family members. Just getting them some time to do something today. And you can see there's a light going around. It's like they got the spotlight working up there. Isn't that cute? Look at that for the kids to see. It's like a
to American naval and military forces. I regret to tell you that very many American lives have been lost. In addition, American ships have been reported torpedoed on the high seas between San Francisco and Monterey.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please give this museum a look, a visit. It is really cool. So if this is your first time watching, welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets us know what you like and how we can do better. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again soon.